Did you look at the sky on December 19th? Nothing happened, right? December 19th, 2025 came and went. The Interstellar Visitor 3 I-Atlas passed us at 170 million kilometers, closer than Jupiter, and nothing happened. No lights in the sky, no global blackout, no alien greeting. The internet exploded with memes, theories, and disappointment. But what if the real event wasn't meant to be seen on that day? What if the probe has already done its job, collected our data, sent the report, and now the galaxy is deciding our fate? In the next 5 to 10 years, telescopes and missions we're launching right now could bring back the verdict, upgrade humanity, or quietly end the experiment. You think it's over? It's only just beginning.
Now, as the shadows of the von Neumann Bracelet theory have fallen across our reality, let's turn our faces to the horizon, to what awaits us ahead. This is no mere speculation. These are plans already etched into the calendars of space agencies, telescopes about to roar to full power, and missions that could shatter our understanding not just of comets, but of the entire galactic game in which we appear to be nothing more than pieces on the board. Recent breakthroughs give us every reason to expect that within the next 5 to 10 years, we will get answers that will either confirm our role in this ancient experiment or radically alter its course. And if we recall the ending of our previous video, the purpose that could either elevate us to a new level or erase us like a failed draft, then the stakes become truly cosmic. Imagine, we stand on the threshold where every rocket launch, every pixel from a telescope could become the trigger that provokes a response from those who are watching. Let's start with what's already in motion. Right now, as 3I Atlas still gleams in the night sky like a faint 12th magnitude star receding from the Sun at 28 kilometers per second, several NASA missions are coordinating efforts to study it. The Psyche probe, launched in 2023 and now racing toward the metallic asteroid Psyche, turned its instruments sideways on December 10, 2025. Its cameras and spectrometers captured new details, anomalous infrared flashes that could be remnants of the very internal reconfiguration predicted by the von Neumann theory. But Psyche is only reconnaissance. The real breakthroughs will come from dedicated comet hunters. In 2029, the European Space Agency's Comet Interceptor mission will launch, the first ever designed specifically to intercept an interstellar visitor. Picture 3 spacecraft parked at the L2 Lagrange point, 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, waiting for the signal. When the next object, like 3I Atlas, or as we now suspect, the next bracelet, enters the solar system, they will scatter, one for a close flyby at 1,000 kilometers, another to sample the tail, a third for long-range observation. With mass spectrometers and dust analyzers, they could dissect the comet atom by atom, revealing nanostructures, artificial isotopes, or even encoded data in the plasma streams. If the theory is correct, this could be our first direct contact with an artifact of an ancient civilization. And if the replicators are still active, then the mission could provoke a response, an upgrade, a leap in technology, or, well, you remember the second option. But it's not just in space. On Earth, next-generation telescopes are preparing to rewrite the sky maps. The Vera Rubin Observatory, LSST, in Chile begins its full survey in early 2026. With an 8.4-meter mirror and a 3.2 gigapixel camera, it scans the entire southern sky every 3 nights, detecting millions of new objects. For interstellar comets, this means we'll catch them years before perihelion. Models already show LSST could detect 10 to 20 such visitors per year, an entire fleet of bracelets. And if their trajectories continue to follow the same logarithmic spiral, converging on Earth at moments of our breakthroughs, next peak in 2031 with quantum networks, that will be irrefutable proof of surveillance. Visualize a massive dome on Cerro Pachon where AI algorithms analyze petabytes of data in real time, and suddenly, alarm! A new hyperbolic object with a periodicity of 4.132 seconds. That could be the moment humanity realizes we're not just looking, we are being seen.
Next, space telescopes. The James Webb Space Telescope has already given us unprecedentedly detailed spectra of 3I Atlas, those sodium lines and hotspots, and will continue through the 2030s. In 2027, NASA's Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope joins in. With a field of view 100 times wider than Hubble, it's perfect for monitoring comet tails at vast distances. Imagine, Roman detects not only visible light, but infrared signatures that could reveal artificial heat sources inside the nucleus. If nanoreplicators are generating power for data transmission, Roman will see tiny flashes invisible from Earth. And ESA's Euclid, launched in 2023, is already building a 3D map of billions of galaxies. By 2028, it will be able to trace the origin of these comets, that dead star in Lyra, WDJ 1917 plus 7354, and search for signs of an ancient civilization around it, such as gravitational lens anomalies or unusual radio backgrounds.
Don't forget China's Tianwen-2 mission, launched in May 2025. It's headed for asteroid 469219 Kamoa-Alewa, but with the flexibility to redirect for comets. If 3I Atlas, or the next object, shows signs of activity, China could reorient the probe for a rendezvous. Sampling the tail, on-site analysis, this could give us physical proof, nanoparticles with unnatural geometry, or even fragments of code in molecular structures. And in the 2030s, NASA plans a mission to Comet 67P Churyumov-Gerasimenko, a sequel to Rosetta, with robots drilling into the nucleus. If the von Neumann theory holds, such missions could find dormant replicators in our own Oort cloud comets waiting for Earth's signal.
Now the technologies that will deliver the answers. Quantum computers, like those IBM and Google will perfect by 2027, will decode the patterns in signals from 3I Atlas, those 127-bit sequences we caught in September. If it's code, quantum algorithms will crack it in hours, revealing what's being transmitted, data on our biosphere, or instructions for the next step in the experiment. Nanotechnology, inspired by the theory itself, will let us build our own replicators to send into the Oort cloud to intercept future visitors. And AI will sift through petabytes of LSST data, hunting not just objects, but behavioral patterns, trajectory corrections, responses to our radio signals.
Possible discoveries? In the coming years, we may confirm the Lunar Relay is no myth. In 2026, Artemis III will land astronauts on the Moon. If they reach Crater Dow and dig up a device 40 meters deep, that will be artifact number 1. Inside, perhaps an archive of Earth's data spanning billions of years, from dinosaurs to us. Or instructions, you have reached level 4. upgrade activated. Breakthroughs could come from SETI Home 2.0, a global network where millions of computers analyze comet signals in real time. If the next bracelet in 2031 delivers a data packet, we'll decrypt it and learn the experiment's goal, either an evolutionary boost like a leap in AI, or quarantine if we're deemed too aggressive.
Tying it all to humanity's ultimate questions, who are we in this scheme? Lab rats being upgraded for the galactic community, or a potential threat that must be neutralized like a virus in a lab? This touches everything from AI ethics to global politics. If the experiment upgrades us, we could gain technologies for star colonization, climate solutions, eternal life. If it switches us off, our nuclear arsenals, climate crises, AI madness could become the trigger. Scaling up, imagine a galaxy full of such bracelets, seeding civilizations or harvesting them. Our solar system is just one point in the network where billions of worlds are tested. And us? We're on the edge, and the next comet flyby could decide whether we soar to the stars or fade into silence.
This is not the end. This is the beginning of an era where every glance at the sky is a question. Will they upgrade us or switch us off? And the answer will come soon with the next whisper from the darkness.